a giddy up. These, yeah. Hey, welcome back to the channel. I got my ears raised and my scalp. Yeah, there's more showing. I mean, there's a lot showing, but I digress. Let's get to work today. Yeah, we're gonna do one of those reviews. We got some seat covers for a customer's Jeep. Usually, seat covers in Jeeps, I'm a best top, you know, denim high back seat cover guy. They're a little expensive, but they hold up really, really well. However, for this particular application, we're gonna take a chance and cut that budget in about half. And what we decided to go with was some rough country. I can't remember if that's the part number or not. I got these on the flea bay, 56019, but you get the front seat covers and the back seat cover for just a little more than what a pair of the front seat covers, the best top covers, would be cost-wise. First impressions out of the box. You know, the box was super light, so that scared me. But then when you actually look at it, you know, they got some foam built in them. They're not those cheap $50 or $60 neoprene seat covers that, you know, you can buy, well, for $50 or $60. These are the $170, $180 ones, but that's part of the back seat. This should also be, nope, that's a bucket seat one. Let's get you put somewhere here. Oh nope, there's the top for the back. Nice thing about it is the front and the back are both padded. So, you know, a lot of times this is just the connector piece that goes underneath, but a lot of times in these seat covers, you'll get a sturdy feeling front where your body fits, and then the back sides are just like a real thin fabric. And that's where they always let go first. This looks like the bottom. Gosh, if these fit well, they're gonna look really nice in there, guys and gals. We're gonna do the front seats first. So those are our two back seat pieces. And then we've got the front. Oh yeah, I'm liking initial impressions are positive. We've got a nice hard plastic tube that's gonna stick down between the back of the seat and the bottom of the seat to keep it tight. Nice little logo there. And again, thick neoprene, reinforced with some padding. We got a nice mat pocket on the back, and it's a two-piece. Let's get the bottom out and see what it looks like here. Okay. Yep. And there's the bottom. So again, we've got the nice plastic tube that'll stick down in there and keep that intact. We got some nice 3/4 straps, and on the bottom part of the front seat cover we have clicky bucket thingies to mail in, so that'll click into the tops, I'm assuming. Let's throw one of these in here. Take the headrests off of these desktop seats. Try it that way. Installer's note number 1. If you have the best top aftermarket seats, which I did not notice this logo because the old seat covers were on it when I ordered these, but the rough country neoprenes do not like the adjustable headrests. But now let's put the back piece on again. adjuster. And then you got a little Velcro strip here. It goes like that. One little plastic hooky that we'll put like that. Okay, and then I can see how the front, and these got a buckle things. Gotta come through here. And they'll snap. You'll hear this. There we go. Okay. So we're back. Oh my gosh. It's only about 80 degrees, but it's about 436 billion% humidity. So now we've got to stretch the front down and find our two little straps and pull. Where are you? Where'd you go? Back here? Yep. There you are. Pull. A little something showing there, a little something showing there, but overall, here we go. Pretty dang impressive, folks. We got one bucket on. Nice little rough country emblem. They fit. These are the best top seats and they still get over. We've got just a little bit of tan showing here. But I think as they stretch, they'll start to cover that. But either way, I'm impressed. And then let's fold and tumble for you. Not fold and tumble, but fold up. It's a little dusty, but here's the back. Look at that, nice tight mat pocket. Nice and tight fit down under here. These are your two little Velcro spots here. I'm liking these. I'm gonna toss the rest of it on and we'll get the back one on and then we'll show you the finished result. The back seat is more of the same. Instead of, it's got one hook on each side to pull just the side skirt down, but as far as front to back, we have nice straps and clippy clippies. Little tip for you, if you know, it's a Jeep, it's a farm Jeep, so every time I touch it or touch the Jeep and then touch the seat covers, you get a little dust pad handprint. Dusting fabric, microfiber, go over it. I don't know what it is, but it likes to get in there and it'll just erase all of the dusty marks on your cloth and neoprene seats. And it kind of picks up the lint too. So I'm just one guy who from time to time forms his own conclusions and opinions about things. But right now my opinion is, if you want an economical way of taking the interior of your CJ or Wrangler Jeep YJ from about a 6 to about a 9. Rough Country, the good ones, the neoprene seat covers. You know, you're gonna get these little reveals with any seat cover, but oh my gosh, you guys, they look good. There's the back seat. They're simple to install, but for the most part, average guy or gal with a little bit of patience, about 40 minutes, maybe less than an hour. 1 hour tops. That's all you're gonna spend putting these in. And man, do they look good. I think customers are gonna be really happy with that. But hey, looks are one thing. What about we gotta give it the old butt test here. Oh, giddy up. These, yeah. I was gonna buy seats for my Jeep, and I might be buying a set of these instead. We'll see. Hey, appreciate you watching this one. It was a quick one. First time we've used this brand of seat cover, Rough Country. I'll put it down in the comments if this is not the correct part number, 56019. I think that is. It's got to be one of these two numbers here, either 91008 or 56019, and we're just gonna cross that part out. But yes, I like them. I think they're well worth the money. About $180 for all three shipped, and now time will tell, and I'll have to ask this customer, you know, in a summer or a year or two. They're gonna fade a little bit if this Jeep sits outside. All cloth seats do, but will they hold up to, you know, daily use, driving? We're more worried about the Velcros, the strappy screws, the clippy clues, and the other stuff. So that's a seal for this one. Appreciate you watching. If you have comments on the Rough Country seat covers, let us know. Questions, we'll help you out. But yeah, I think it's a win. We'll catch you on the next one.